Hello, Tutoran classmates. My name is Julio Novoa, and this is the presentation of the first part of the activity speak. The chosen site is called Black's Waterfall, and it remains in a high chapinero in the city of Bogota. This place is very beautiful and near of the urban zone, more or less on the 20 or 50 minutes of the urban zone walking. I was in this place around the March month. In this place, the water is very cool. However, the flora is very beautiful and landscape is wonderful. This place is a bit dangerous because it's near of the Calderon Forest neighborhood. However, there is a lot of police are sure about my travel. Uh, Goodbye.